Welcome back to Living Life with Meso. So today we're going to be doing another healthy cooking. Hope you all are doing well. Happy Sunday, by the way. So today, following Hilda's steps, I'll be making my own largest pot of jollof rice in my own little way. If like thought that was me, I'm breaking record in my father's house. I'm making this rice is already washed. I think 12 cups of rice, or is it more than? I don't know. And I would love for you all to come cook it with me. So let's just get right into this video without any further ado. Let's go. So my water is already boiled. Adding my rice. Oh, this rice is much. I'll be reducing the water a bit because it was much and we don't want to make a mess everywhere. We're going to let the rice parboil for 5 minutes, and that's it. We're going to set it aside. So time to cook our stock. So cooking my stock, added my chicken, and I'll be adding my onions and ginger. I don't play with my ginger and garlic. So I added my Maggi cubes. I used no, by the way. I added some thyme, and I'll be adding some Benny chicken spice, and I'm adding my lasso meat spice, my lasso chicken spice, and I'll be adding some pepper, and I'll be adding some curry. And then lastly, I'll just stir everything to combine. And I'll be leaving it to cook at this point. My rice is done parboiling. I just washed it. I'll be transferring it in another bowl and I'll be setting it aside. Adding more water to my chicken stock so I can have a stock base for my rice. So yeah. So after 15 minutes, my chicken is done and I'll be setting it aside to fry. Already done parboiling our rice and cooking our meat. Chicken is done. And I'm going to be frying the chicken. You guys, there's this new oil that came out. It's called Zen soyabena vegetable oil. It contains soybean and it contains vegetable, like the oil you mix together. And the oil is so nice and it's so affordable. Do all to get yours now. Take a look at this oil. You see how clear this oil is. Can you believe that I've used this oil to fry multiple times? I've used this to fry plantain, fry my meat, and it's still looking sumptuous. Do all to get yours now. You can leave your comments if you want to place order for the oil, and I'll attend to your comments. So I'm just frying my meat in my secret ultimate oil called Zen oil. Don't dull on this oil, guys. I just revealed a big secret to you guys. This oil is so good, so damn good. In that same oil, I'll be frying my onions, some thyme, some curry, and my tomato puree. And I'll be using some tin tomatoes in addition to my fresh tomato puree. So this me adding my stock and adding my spicy for extra color, adding some Benny for extra flavor, some nutmeg, and some lassomi spice, and I'm adding some Maggi cubes, and then some pepper for extra hotness, then some salt, then mix everything to combine perfectly. And then I'll be giving a quick test check before I'll be adding my rice. So this I'm just adding my rice. Well, this rice big shower. Anyways, I'm already used to it. This is just the little I cook for my large family. So this me mixing the rice. This was the most hardest part. Omo, he'll that try you. To mix rice, just this small 12 cups of rice, no easy. So checking the taste to make sure everything is okay. Adding my bay leaves, I know. Just putting it in for extra flavor, and I'll be letting my rice cook for 15 minutes. Then I'll be checking back on my rice, to make sure that the under doesn't burn too much. I know I like burnt jollof rice, but not so burnt. So this is making sure the water goes underneath the rice, and yeah, closing it back and letting it cook for another 5 minutes. So you guys, my rice is ready. This rice was so delicious, guys. But anyways, the rice is ready. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.